Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how you can earn money by simply writing reviews on iPhone and this Android smartphone. This is very easy. I have put 3 trusted website who is actually pays for doing so. And before starting, I request to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications cause I upload different make money videos every day. So let's start. The first site is Apperwall, and this site works like you will get links to new apps daily via their service or messenger bots. You need to download that app, then you need to write a review or your opinion after testing the app, and you will get money, and the money will be added to your account and you can withdraw the money. This is very easy. See, they have paid over 4,89,000 dollars to their members, and 61,000 people earning with Apperwall, and you can earn up to $30, and you only need the smartphone internet connection and 5 minutes per day, and you can withdraw money. And this is very trusted site. You can earn just simply writing a review on their app. This is very easy. And the second trusted site is Reviewstream.com, and there are many categories. Actually, they pay you for writing reviews on app and software. You need to download the software or app and write your opinion or review, and you will get paid. And they pay like $2 per review. So this is a very awesome, and they will pay you for 100% sure, no problem. You can withdraw money via PayPal or any other available method. And the third one is itself by Amazon Turk, mechanical Turk. It also called as M Turk. There are lots of short jobs in here which you can complete as a freelancer type, but there are very simple and easy jobs, and app reviewing is just one of them among the many tasks. And they pay very small fee as your task, but you need to do this for a while to build your working rate, then you will get higher rating task. So these are very trusted site. You can make money, and I will show you how you can earn handsome money by reviewing apps. For that, I will like 25 to $35 every hour. See, 25 to $35 every hour you can testing mobile and tablet app. So I will show you how to and the application process. Cause in this here, see, you will get earn up to $30 every month. This means you will get one app link to review every day. That means for every review you will get $1, and in 30 days you will get $30. So your maximum earning potential here is $30 in a month. So this is very teeny amount, and here is also the same formula. And in MTurk your income potential is also teeny and a small amount, but you can do some money, you can earn some money in total of them using them, and it doesn't need any huge time. So you can test also these sites, and this is very legitimate. But in this site, this is very special site I am sharing you, and this is also legitimate. You will get paid, and you will get 25 to $35 per hour. So see the roles. You will be required to download apps to your smartphone or tablet and test their all features of the app. You will then need to write a short review of your experience and list any faults that you find. And you will need have access to at least one of the following, like you need to iPhone or iPad or Android smartphone or Android tablet. Any of them you will be eligible to do this. And your contact rate is, the fixed rate is $25 to $35 every hour, and depending on the complexity of the app and detail required for the review. So your potential is $25 to $35 every hour. And your skills needed for this site, because you need to click apply, so you need to know what are the roles, requirements and skills. And your skills must have to access to a smartphone or tablet and know how to install and use apps. I know everyone knows this, how to install and use apps. And be able to work independently, ability to closely follow provide steps and instructions, 5 hours availability per week. I think everyone can give 5 hours in 7 days. Okay. And location, this is location independent, you can work from anywhere in the world, anywhere, no country restrictions. And you are eligible to apply, so click here to apply, and just put your name and email address and get started. I have put the special link on my description below, as you can apply here and earn up to 25 to $35 every hour and make huge cash. And along with this you can also work here to make some money. And this is very special, if you want to make a living by testing mobile and tablet apps, then this is for you. I have put the link in the description below to for application. And also these are the legitimate site you can work with. Just sign up, it's free, and for this check out the link. So this is for now, and see you with another make money video. So goodbye, have a safe life.